If you're looking for a good desktop pro, Exocharts Desktop Pro Workspace, you're at the right place. I'm going to give you my workspace, really what I'm using to trade the market and to, of course, update my chart really daily. Okay, so every day I'm going to give you really everything. So see what really you need to update that. To update the chart, and also if you want to speak to scalp or to swing trade, you're also going to get some bigger levels, some higher time frame levels. So you're going to get everything as always. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it, and let's get started. So first of all, you will have to go on the website, okay, on the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You just have to create an account, go to the resource section and download the workspace. So how to do it, you just have to go on the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You will have the link right below in the description. Once you have done this, go in the plan section, okay? And you will just need to create an account with the free upgrade here, or you can join us at apprentice, do whatever you want, but you don't need to do it. You can absolutely join us for absolutely free here as a member, okay? Once you have done this, go in the course section right here, okay? If I can click this, perfect. And on this, when you're on this page, you have to scroll down a bit, go into the resource right here section, and just you're going to arrive on this page. So you just have to click right here this, and once you click that, you just have to save the file. Okay, when you have the file, you will get a zip file. So you cannot import this zip file directly into the Exo Desktop Workspace. So what you have to do here is to extract this file, okay, this zip file. So on Windows, you just have to right click, the file, just click the extract all next, okay, and once you have done this, you will get this nice window here where you just need to click the extract button. If you want to change the location of the file, everything can browse here. You do not need, normally it gives the folder you're already in, okay. So this is for Windows. On Mac, you just have to double click the zip file, and this will normally extract the file for you. Okay, I'm not a Mac user, so correct me if I'm wrong. Write this in the comment section, but normally I check it on the internet, and this is just how normally you should do it. So once you extracted the file, so you have the file now on your computer, and so the thing you need to do now is to log in to Exocharts Desktop. So to speak, you're going to open Exocharts Desktop. So you're going to open this. Okay, you're going to open that. You're going to arrive on a where you have nothing really. Normally, if you just log in on this, really. So just open Exocharts Desktop really to make it easy. Once this is open, okay. So you loaded the software really. You have to get your token online. So to speak, you have to go into Exocharts on exocharts.com. You know, log into your profile, go into the Desktop Pro section here, and once you have done this, you just have to go into you just have to check here at your token section. Click the button, click to copy, and this will copy your token. This is a token you will need to log in into Exocharts Desktop. That's why I'm saying you have to do this. So you open Exocharts Desktop, you go into now online really on the exocharts.com to take your token, to get your token. Once you have done this, you just have to go in the file on Exocharts Desktop this time. So you go in the file section and you click login. This is a log out here because I was already logged in, but otherwise you just have to go here on the top. I cannot say this, let me just go in like this. On the top left, file, and you click the login button. Once you have done this, you just paste your token. You just copy it, you know, on the online really here, okay. You just copy the token, so pass your token into the window you're going to get, and once you have done this, just click OK or login or whatever, and you are going to be logged in your account on the Exocharts Desktop software. So once you have done this, what you need to do, you just need to do some few more steps, okay. The only thing you need to do here, first to import, you have to import the workspace, okay. So to load the workspace really, you have to import it. So you just have to go into the workspace section and import the workspace. Where do you find this? On the very top again, right here, workspace, import the workspace. You just have to click this. This will, you know, load, you know, a window where you're going to choose a file you want to import. Just go into the location where you extracted your file before. Just click import. Just click the file, by the way, and click import. Just double click the file. This will normally load the everything into Exocharts Pro here. So once you have done this, you imported the workspace. It will be here normally. It will be named MOONCHARTS Public Workspace. So just click this. Click yes, and once you have done this, bam, you will get this nice view loading here. Okay, again, I'm using, by the way, 4K screens, so the 6 view like that is maybe a bit too much for small screens, so maybe you're going to need to change a bit the view of everything. For example, put, I don't know, the 3 minutes in with the 5 minutes here, with the 15th minutes, for example, and only get, for example, here the 1 minute 30 seconds and 30 seconds with a tier on the right, maybe, because maybe it's too much. Or I don't know. You need also to adapt the view if you have to change that, because for me I have some 4K screens. This is good for me, but maybe for others not. Sorry. So here, We're going to do an Exocharts review next, but once you have done this, so you have the workspace, but you still have to do one more step really. Okay, so what you have to do here is to click on the arrow here on the left, go into the levels. You have the order flow first, the order flow part, so you can see really the order flow, and then you have the second part here, the levels. These levels, you have to do something before to really use that. Okay, what you have to do here is simply, so you go into this first on the top left corner here, you have this viewer here with the naked session path control levels. Okay, so we have the session for every day, London, Asia, and New York. And so what you have to do here, you just have to right click, go into the chart settings, go into the session, okay, go into the session here, and from here you just have to click the manage the session. Once you have done this, you just have to create your session. So to speak, you have to add a new one here. Okay, once you added a new one, you will have to add a different time. So 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 20, and 20 to 0 to midnight really. First session is Asia, second session is London, third session is New York, and then it's closed. And you just have to then adapt with, add your UTC really, your time zone here. Okay, so Europe, Paris for me, then you just click whatever you import, just choose where you are really, your time zone. And once you have done this, you just click save. Once you click it save, okay, right here, so you save it, or the session you created. So mine, as you can see, is name it session. Once you have done this, it's not done yet. You need to click here in the user session. You need to load this session. So you have to click here the session you just created. So for me, it's session. And from here, you have to click the button apply and rebuild. Once you have done this, it will reload everything and you will get the good session, because normally if you don't do this, this will be my time zone and or maybe not my time zone. I don't know how it's working when you import that on your side, but you will have to do this so you can get the good session for you, because always gonna change the time, everything. It's absolutely completely false if you read the data. These are not good data, so you have to do this. Okay, so now once we have done this, we are ready to use, and so now we can go on the Exocharts workspace review. So to speak here, as I said, we have the order flow. Okay, so we have here on the top left, what I like to use is a 30 minutes, 15 minutes to get the context, okay, of the move, so to speak, a bit of a higher time frame to really see the context really. You can also click these arrows, by the way, here to expand the view. And so you can just zoom in, zoom out, everything. This a bit hard to see a bit more the CVD, for example, absorption, everything. This is so 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you have the order flow here for the bigger time frame. Then I like to go on the 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, and 10-second chart to really, spot the MC reactions and just trade really good market, right? Such as on that top, for example, yeah, they said you've got a very nice on the Discord server here. Where is this? Right there. This was on the 10-second chart, so I got no time to send that. Okay, but you got a good scalp short from Coinbase swing £30, so now we are back here ready. And so it happened on the 10-second chart, so I don't have time really. I don't have time to say, hey, directly we have a good scalp short. Trying to do this as fast as possible on my account, but I cannot take the trade and say it at the same time. I have to take the trade and then I say it. But anyway, so yeah, it allows you to really see the 10-second chart, everything, so you can really master the chart. You have also the DOM on the right, so you can see really all the limits, all the market orders again in field. You have the time, price, size on the right also here, with different filters with the colors and everything. For example, if here it's white, the text is white, it's because these are really big orders, market orders coming on the market. This is light like this, it's big, but these are not the biggest orders. These are still nice orders, not gonna lie, not the biggest one. Then you have all of this about the DOM really. So yeah, these are the order flow. The order flow view. You also have the tier on the bottom right. Okay, right here. Very useful stuff. It's set on the 44.26. Again, it depends on the volatility of the market. All of this you can change that if you want on your side. But yeah, so this is the order flow view really. Okay, if you want to get more about the order flow, how to learn everything, you just have to go and check out our website really. Go into the course section, and from here you will get this nice Exocharts course right here waiting for you. So yeah, this is really the order flow. Now for the levels, you have to. So every day you're going to check at what you have here. For example, do you have any new naked session path control? These are the new naked session path control. The naked session path control or the volume path control, not the time path control. So speaking of the gray levels, the red levels. Okay, very, very important. And so you just have to check every day if you have some new levels really that are here on the chart. For example, here you can see this nice naked session path control. That was the top, and here before to rise big, that was the bottom. So these are very, very useful stuff you have to use. Very good level you have to use and to add every day. Okay. And you can see either the price on the top of the TPO, okay, or on the right. For example, here you have the price on the right also, okay. This is so the naked. These are the naked session path control. Then you have, of course, to look at the TPO. So every day you're going to make a daily TPO, okay. And so from here you just have to check if you have a new TPO level or not. For example, here you have one just below right here all the lows. For example, here we can look for a possible swing through pan, bounce in, bounce on it and reclaim, depending on the reaction we're going to get here on the order flow. But every day you have to check out this, and again you have the TPO value on the top, not the VPOC but the TPO price, and you have it also on the right. You can see here into the scale. So these are the two first levels you have to look for. Of course, in addition, you know, the daily, weekly and monthly level on TradingView. And in addition to the naked session path control TPO, you have to look at the daily naked path control every day. So every day, for example, here we've got one yesterday. What I like to do, that's the tip, not showing publicly, but anyway, we don't care. What I'm doing here is not taking the middle of the path control. Why? Because most of the time we're going to get some front run of this middle. I mean, not most of the time, but a lot of time we're going to get a front run of this middle of the path control. So if you're below, okay, if for example the price comes from below, take the bottom of the path control. So you place your mind here, you keep in mind the price, and you add your level on TradingView. If we are above, you take the top of the path control, not the middle. Again, you can do it, but you will see by yourself. Sometimes you're going to get some front runs, so it's to avoid these kind of front runs, you take not the middle, okay, not the middle. For example, now we are above, so we take the top of the path control, and if we was below, we'll take the bottom of the path control. You can take the middle, it's up to you. Personally, it works better with the top or the bottom, depending for above or below. Okay, so now this is what you have to check for every day on this chart right here. Now every week you will have to load this weekly negative path control right here, and every month this month's negative path control. So let me just slow down. Every week you have to check on Monday if you have a new weekly negative path control. It's exactly the same. If we're above, you take the top of the path control. If we're below, you take the bottom. Okay, not you can take the middle if it's up to you, but you will see by yourself. Normally it's working better if you take the top or the bottoms. And every month, so every first of the month, for example, today, if you're watching this video today, 1st of November today, you will have to check again if there is a new naked path control here, so month's negative path control. And so you again do, if we're above, take the top, if we're below, take the bottom. Okay, like this. That's it, really. Not more complex how I'm using this. Every day I'm checking at these 3 templates. Every week, Monday, I'm checking at this template in addition to this, in addition to the daily level, of course, all the daily templates. And every first of the month, bam, monthly negative path control, in addition, of course, to the monthly level on TradingView. You know, when you have 2 monthly kind of close, you have everything on the website. So yeah, this is simple as that, really. Order flow view, where you have the order flow and the levels. You just levels, you know, you need really to trade the market good and to find some good support resistance, and you're good really if you check all of this every day. You just have to update that. And if you want to really get more and more and more to understand how you can update this chart, how you can add all these levels, just join me. I'm live every day at 10 a.m. UTC +1 on the YouTube channel. So just join me, really. I'm doing this in front of you, and I'm giving you my trade setups, my plan for the day ahead, and everything, really, so you can crush the chart. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me down below in the comment section, or you can also join the Discord server. You have a lot of cool stuff happening there. For example, my live update on Bitcoin. And by the way, this is absolutely free. You do not need to pay the Discord server or whatever to access this Discord server or these live updates on Bitcoin. For example, where I was yesterday telling you that we've got a few more bullish data and bearish for scalpers. And so if we have to rise, I would like to reclaim the VWAP plus the highs right here to not swing for panda, to expect higher prices, really. So that's a very cool information you need to know. If we get no swing for pan of this also fair option, you take the long and you ride this up to the next area. We have plans to speak around the highs. By the way, it was a naked session path control here, and so surprise, bam, we get this rise. And so yeah, everything is absolutely free, so just join and enjoy, as I like to say. That's the only thing you need to do. You have every link in the description for the MOONCHARTS refer, so for our website, for the Discord server, for everything, really. And if you have some questions, you can join the Discord server. By the way, go into the question channel right here, ask your questions. It's gonna be a pleasure for me to answer you, and otherwise you can ask some question in the comment section down below. Anyway, I really hope this was useful, and this will be useful for you, this workspace. This is really what I'm using. I mean, of course, in addition, I'm using some other stuff, but I'm not showing this yet because, for example, there is the MC strategy, the weekly TPOs, monthly TPOs, but I'm still testing all of this, so I don't want to put it into the workspace yet. So yeah, for now, this is what I'm using, and hope this will be helpful for you. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Anyway, have a brilliant day. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn notifications, to also write some comments down below if you can. This helps so much with the YouTube algorithm, so thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, as I said, take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.